After going through the workshop, one of the things that I noticed was how my picture of God had changed. I don't think I necessarily caught it while I was in the workshop, but I noticed it in the weeks and the months afterwards in how my prayer life was transformed. I used to be very much a list person. I would come to God with a list of things, and I would basically, a lot of my prayer life was structured around what can I get from God? How can I posture my life to basically be the best I can for God, if that makes sense. But because of the workshops, I started to see my relationship with God as much more relational. Jesus talks about how we are no longer slaves. He talks about how I no longer call you servants, but I call you friends. And I think because of these workshops, I'm actually able to believe that and live out in such a way that that reflects that truth. And it's been really exciting. So really practically, it's things like listening prayer. My conversations with God now are way more me and God having a conversation. It's not just a one-way conversation, it's a two-way conversation. My way of engaging with God and my desire to engage with God has changed. I don't just, it's not just something that is part of my checklist for the day. I want to engage with God in a practical way as often as I can. The course has really helped me to practically live out what Jesus says in John 15, that I no longer call you servants because a servant doesn't know his master's business. I call you friends because I reveal to you my heart. And so this course has really helped me to have that sort of relationship with God, and not only in my head, but also in how I live my life.